assistance, please speak to a member of staff for further information. We are very sorry for any inconvenience caused to customers. Customer announcement. This Saturday 16th and Sunday 17th of October, planned engineering works will be taking place on the South Western Railway network. The Hounslow, Woking to Basingstoke, Bracknell to Reading, Weybridge to Basingstoke, and New Malden to Twickenham areas will be affected by engineering work. For more information, please visit southwesternrailway.com/engineering. Thank you.
So that you can travel with confidence, we are ventilating trains to refresh air, improving information about journeys and trains, and extensively cleaning trains and stations. In crowded spaces, wear a face covering out of respect to others. Please be considerate of other passengers and rail staff. Thank you.